Look, guys, I cut a piece of fabric that's 42 by 36 centimeters. And I'm going to make a little fold. I'm going to make a hem. I filled the bottle with sand. This one holds 2 liters. I'm going to position it here. Look how easy it is, huh? Making this scarecrow is very, very easy. Now we apply the glue. Cover the super bottle. Easy, quick, and you don't even need a sewing machine. The bottom part, I'm going to make a little fold and baste all the way around. Keep folding and basting. I've basted everything.
Wow.
And make a little stitch to finish it off. Pull here so it stays nice and tight. And tie it. I cut fabric measuring 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and I'm going to join these 2 parts with glue. Making this scarecrow is very easy, very quick. It can be used as a doorstop. It can be a decoration for the table. It has 1,001 uses. To make this arm stiff, I'm going to put a skewer inside here. I'm going to center the stick inside here. See? Inside the arm. I'm going to mark about 3 fingers. Use regular sewing thread. And I go like this, see? A few times. Wow. It'll get firm right away. Right on the other side. Do the same thing. I'm going to use decorative straw. If you have corn husks, you can use corn husks. Use whatever material you have. Use your creativity. Get creative. Do it your way. It'll look beautiful. cut it into a 22 centimeter circle. I'm going to baste all the way around. I'm using kite string. Any thick thread will work. Guys, the head can't stay like this, okay? All wrinkled up. I'm going to add a lot of stuffing until the head gets really round. Guys, the head has to look like this, okay? Really full. And as round as possible. Put plenty of glue. Squeeze the head and wait for it to dry. I'll leave the link to this hat right below the video. Just click on View Product. Look how beautiful it is. I'm in love. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Health and peace